Hey, so I just wanted to come on and do a quick, maybe 30-minute clean and see how far I get. My goal for this afternoon is just to get the living room cleaned up because it's a mess. We have clothes everywhere, from laundry, packages at the door, some DIY projects I've been working on. So Caden just got home from school, so I know he'll be ready to eat dinner in the next hour. So I'm going to try to get as much done as I possibly can, and hopefully this will give you all some motivation to get up and get some things rearranged or straightened up, or if you just want to sit back and watch me sweat, we can do that too. So let's see how far we get. And let's just pan around just to show you how real it gets in this household. The dust up here is crazy. So I just put this together about a week ago to just house some different things, but I'll do another video for that at another time. So I need to wipe down all of the windows, all of the video game system stuff, probably put away some old games, because we were honestly keeping the 55-inch TV on this little bitty end table for about 2 weeks before I was able to get a proper piece of furniture put together for it. So we have all of the video games, some of the video game stuff inside of the end table. And then it's just some laundry, my dog, some of her stuff everywhere. I mean, the living room is just a bit messy for my liking. So we're going to try to knock some of it out and get this area cleaned up. So this blue cloth that I have works like magic. You just put water on one end of it and it's for glass and mirror. So I use that throughout the video to clean all of the mirrored objects and all of the glassware. Anytime you see me with the blue microfiber cloth, it just has Pine Sol and water. So I use that throughout the living room to wipe down the wooden furniture and all of the decor pieces. Once I'm done wiping down the TV and the TV stand thoroughly, I will follow up with some disinfectant wipes, to hit the remote controls, all of the PlayStation, Xbox, my son's video game equipment, because those surfaces are used heavily. And due to it being flu season, I just want to make sure I'm really cutting down on as many germs as possible. My son to help me to pick up some of his belongings from the living room, so he's always a big help. He loves to get in front of the camera and show off and dance, so you'll see him checking in from time to time, just being cute. Here I'm using that same soft blue cloth with just water to clean all of my mirrored pieces that are on the walls. It takes a lot of time. It's a pretty tedious process, because when I made these paintings or the artwork, I didn't put cement in between, so I have to be careful when I'm cleaning it. So some people think you can't wet this type of material. My sofa is velvet, but that's actually not true. I just make sure when I spot clean, I use the smallest amount of water. Guys, please excuse this big box. I know it's an eyesore throughout the video, but I had just ordered another TV for the living room and it was just so heavy. I hadn't gotten a chance to moving it out of the way yet. I'm finally almost done with the living room, and here comes my dog to attack the vacuum. Guys, thumbs up the video if your dogs also chase after your vacuum.